Hey, what's going on, BCS Army? Justin for Blue Collar Survival. And today I am responding to a tag by JB over at BigRedEDC. This tag was originated by Paddy from Paddy's Potato Peelers. Everybody knows Paddy and loves Paddy. This is if you could redo your first video. So I was like, all right, let's do this. Before we do that, we'll have to kind of get into the mindset of how I was when I first started. I was out of the knife game for a long time. Like the last time before I started reviewing it, I was really into knives was 440C was a super steel. That should tell you how long ago it's been. I was a young man. I just got back into knives, really getting into it now. So let me take you into the mindset of everything. Hello, welcome to the knife store. How may I help you? Yeah, I'm actually looking for a new knife. Well, you've come to the right place because as you can see, we sell knives. Did you just say knives? Did I hear you right? Did you say knives? Yeah, knives. All right, anyway, I'm actually looking for something with a quick deployment and has serrations on it. Well, I actually have the perfect knife for you. And a matter of fact, it's in my pocket right now. Check this out. Quick deployment, you say? Ready to go. Oh! Imagine all the possibilities. Roll. I got the guy behind him at least. Piss on your face. Oh. Screw your fake cheese. Ah. What? Screw your fake cheese. Stick it around. All right, and now for reality. I went back and watched my first review, and it wasn't great. I'm not even gonna lie, but it is what it is. Got better. A lot of people, a lot of input, a lot of education. I had a lot of ignorance in the beginning. I learned a lot, but let's go over. I kind of went through and I said, I do really like this knife. This is the CRKT M21 14 SFG. It's a very large knife. Let me get my scale out real quick. Like I said, I was not really that educated on steels or any of that, and so it's a 6-ounce knife, a little heavier. It is a big knife. Let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's an over 9-inch knife. So it's a big one. It does have the vest serrations on it, which as you can see are pretty much ground down. This blade's not even exactly the same profile. So overall long-term review, I mean, I really do love this knife. It is the 8CR13. You will have to sharpen it a lot. I'm very used to the auto locks. I know a lot of people don't like that, but I've kind of gotten used to it. Action on this thing is not great. I do like the quick deploy. It's definitely not one I carry that much anymore. It's kind of become my fishing knife. I take it with me when I go fishing. When I bought this, when the guy pulled it out of his pocket, I was like freaking sold, man. Let's freaking do this. And I do like that, but now that I've kind of evolved and gotten into more stuff, I've kind of gotten into different designs I like and better steels. Don't get me wrong, I will still not pass up a great design just due to steel. I know how to sharpen knives. It's not a big deal. So I won't pass up great designs. Let's get some size comparisons real quick. So I got the Benchmade bug out, which is just completely swamped by it, and the newly acquired Buck Marksman birthday gift for my dad. And this is a sick little knife. I will be doing a review on this shortly. And actually probably be doing a review on this too. But anyway, so you got a, what is this? I don't even know what I didn't look up specs or nothing. I was like, I'm just going to wing it. Almost a 4-inch blade on it. Hollow grind down here. Very thick blade stock. At the time, it was very overpriced, but I did buy it at Cabela's. So I think you can find these now for around 50 bucks. Still a little bit on the high side for the materials they're offering, but this is an extremely well put together knife. I mean, I have beat it. I've probably had this knife for close to 5-6 years now, and I have just beat on it. As you can see, it's all scratched up, scuffed, and she's still trucking along. So for the money, it's made its money's worth, so I can't complain about that. Not much, you know, I look back at the review, I kind of nailed it on all angles for specs and stuff like that. I would just, I don't know. I would just be more confident. You know, I know it was my first video. I'm a lot more confident now. I like to just ramble and talk to you guys, but wish I'd have had a little more confidence going into it, like gung-ho. I thought I had a lot of confidence, but after watching it last night, I'm like, oh, sound a little shaky there. But hey, I've come a long way. You guys have helped me grow. Channels like Paddy has been a massive help. I love when he puts these tags on, because it's something for us in the community to kind of get to know each other, and then you, the viewers, to kind of get to know us a little more personal. Like, I wanted to take advantage of this tag video to kind of throw a little twist, a little comical side in there, you know. I had fun with it. It was a good time. My wife was trying not to break up laughing the entire time she was recording, but she did well, so thank you to my beautiful wife. But yeah, I don't know that I would change a whole lot other than just having some confidence and maybe playing around and understanding stuff a little more. You know, now that I know all you guys, I'm real comfortable, and I'm not really afraid to say a whole lot. And I would like to say, Steve, if you're watching this far, I hope you like the little cheese homage to you, brother. All right, guys, I want to thank Paddy and BigRedEDC. I think I'm going to tag let me tag Woodland Tactical and oh, who else can we tag? I don't know if JetFuelEDC has been tagged yet. I don't remember if that's who Big Red did also, but if he didn't, JetFuelEDC. All right, guys, Justin from Blue Collar Survival. You guys stay safe.